Welcome to Review Rumble. The best shower cleaner foam is probably one of the most underappreciated cleaning products in your bathroom arsenal. Today, we're diving deep into the world of shower cleaner foams, exploring what makes them stand out, how they tackle grime, and whether they truly live up to the hype. We'll be looking at the key features, ease of use, and overall value to help you decide if this is the right cleaning solution for your shower. Number 5. Stardrops the Pink Stuff Bathroom Foam Cleaner 750 ml. Introducing the Pink Stuff Bathroom Foam Cleaner. This cleaner is specially formulated to fight tough stains and grime. It will leave your bathroom sparkling clean with minimal effort. The easy-to-use foam spray clings to surfaces. This allows maximum contact time to break down dirt and soap scum. Simply spray, let it work, and wipe clean. It's perfect for tiles, sinks, tubs, showers, and more. You can use it on faucets and even toilet exteriors. This is one product for all your bathroom cleaning needs. Effectively removes stubborn limescale, soap scum, and hard water stains. It leaves surfaces shiny and clean without harsh scrubbing. You will love the results. Achieve a streak-free, polished finish on all bathroom surfaces. The pink stuff ensures a spotless, gleaming bathroom after every use. It's easy to use. Enjoy a fresh and clean-smelling bathroom with every use. The pink stuff leaves a pleasant fragrance that lingers. This enhances the overall cleanliness of your bathroom. Despite its powerful cleaning capabilities, it's gentle on surfaces. This ensures no scratches or damage. It's safe for use on delicate bathroom fixtures and fittings. What we like. This cleaner provides a deep cleaning action, tackling tough stains with ease. It also ensures a streak-free shine, leaving your bathroom surfaces gleaming. If you are looking for a product that delivers both powerful cleaning and a spotless finish, you should consider this one. What people say. The product effectively cleans shower surfaces. The foam adheres well to vertical surfaces, ensuring thorough cleaning. It leaves a fresh, clean scent after use. Number 4. Stardrops the Pink Stuff Bathroom Foam Cleaner 3-pack. This cleaner is specially formulated to fight tough stains and grime. It will leave your bathroom surfaces sparkling clean with minimal effort. The easy-to-use foam spray sticks to surfaces. This allows it to break down dirt and soap scum. Just spray it on, let it work, and wipe it clean. It's perfect for many bathroom surfaces. You can use it on tiles, sinks, tubs, showers, faucets, and even toilet exteriors. It's one product for all your needs. It removes stubborn limescale, soap scum, and hard water stains. This leaves surfaces shiny and clean without harsh scrubbing. You can achieve a streak-free, polished finish on all bathroom surfaces. It ensures a spotless, gleaming bathroom after every use. Enjoy a fresh and clean-smelling bathroom with every use. It leaves a pleasant fragrance that lingers, enhancing the overall cleanliness. Despite its powerful cleaning capabilities, it's gentle on surfaces. This ensures no scratches or damage, and is safe for delicate bathroom fixtures. What we like. The foam application makes cleaning effortless, clinging to surfaces for maximum impact. It's also versatile, suitable for various bathroom surfaces. If you have a busy lifestyle and need a cleaner that simplifies your routine, this is the one for you. What people say. The product effectively cleans shower surfaces. The foam adheres well to vertical surfaces, ensuring thorough cleaning. It is easy to use. Number 3. Scrubbing Bubbles Mega Bathroom Foamer, 2-pack. This is a 2-pack of the powerful bathroom cleaner. It's designed to tackle tough grime and leave your bathroom sparkling clean. This specialized formula is tough on bathroom buildup. It effectively removes limescale and soap scum, restoring surfaces to their original shine. It provides a powerful clean across all bathroom surfaces. The product leaves behind a pleasant rain shower scent, making your bathroom fresh. When used as directed, it eliminates 99.9% of bathroom bacteria. The wide-range spray nozzle ensures quick and complete coverage of large areas. Scrubbing Bubbles offers a variety of cleaning solutions. Check out other products like toilet stamps, cleaning tablets, and disinfectants for a complete clean. What we like. This cleaner effectively removes limescale and soap scum, restoring your bathroom's cleanliness. It also leaves a pleasant rain shower scent, refreshing your space. If you like a fresh, clean-smelling bathroom with minimal effort, you should consider this. What people say. It does a great job cutting through soap scum, grime, and mildew. The foam clings to vertical surfaces like shower walls and glass doors, so it doesn't drip off immediately, giving it time to work. The foaming action is not only effective but also fun to watch as it works its magic. Just spray it on, let it sit for a few moments, and wipe or rinse away. No elbow grease required. Number 2. Scrubbing Bubbles Mega Bathroom Cleaner Spray. Introducing the Scrubbing Bubbles Mega Bathroom Cleaner. This powerful cleaner is designed to tackle tough bathroom grime, making your cleaning tasks easier. It effectively removes 100% of limescale and soap scum. This specialized formula ensures a deep clean, leaving your bathroom sparkling. Enjoy the refreshing rain shower scent. It leaves your bathroom smelling fresh and clean, without harsh odors. This cleaner is safe for all bathroom surfaces. You can use it on tubs, shower walls, doors, sinks, and more. The bottle is made from 100% recycled content. It's an eco-friendly choice for a cleaner home. Scrubbing Bubbles offers a variety of bathroom cleaning solutions. Check out the full range for all your cleaning needs. What we like. It offers a powerful clean, tackling tough grime with ease. It's designed for all bathroom surfaces, making it a versatile choice. If you are looking for a single product to clean your entire bathroom, this is a great choice. What people say. The product effectively cleans shower surfaces. The foam adheres well to vertical surfaces, ensuring thorough cleaning. It leaves a fresh, clean scent after use. Number 1. Clorox Bathroom Foamer Starter Kit. This is the Clorox Bathroom Foamer Starter Kit. It includes a reusable spray bottle and a concentrated refill pod. It's designed to make your cleaning routine easier and more effective. Simply fill the bottle with tap water. Then, twist a refill pod onto the bottle until it clicks. After that, reattach the spray trigger, and you're ready to clean. It provides the same Clorox cleaning power you trust. It's effective on various hard, non-porous surfaces in your bathroom, leaving them sparkling clean. This reusable cleaning system allows you to refill your spray bottle up to 30 times. You'll also use significantly less plastic with this more sustainable packaging alternative. Use it on non-porous surfaces in your bathroom. This includes countertops, tubs, showers, sinks, and toilets. It's a convenient and effective way to keep your bathroom fresh. What we like. This product features a concentrated cleaning system, making it efficient and effective. It also offers a reusable cleaning system, promoting sustainability. If you like eco-friendly products and want to reduce plastic waste, you should consider this. What people say. Works great. Excellent solutions for using Clorox on diverse surfaces. Great for bathrooms. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.